my cat, and let him run back. Alright, so your roommate comes in, he's like,
Hey, I thought I rented a private
you're
room.
like, what, I can't tell you for there, but then he's like,
It was going through the trash, knocked it over, got his head stuck in a jar. What was I supposed to do, leave it know?
react to my cat, and let him run back. React to my cat, and let him run back. One step back, that's to my cat. React to my cat, and let him run back. Go! 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 React to my cat, let him run back. React to my cat, let him run back. One step back, that's to my cat. React to my cat, let him run back.